It was quiet when I found it. Skyline resting on the ridge. Windows open, world below me. Coffee steaming, morning's bridge. Paint still fresh from someone's laughter. Stories whisper through these walls. Every echo, every chapter feels like coming home after all. And I'm rising above the trees where the city fades and I can finally breathe. All the weight I used to hold, it falls from me. Here on Oswego Summit, I'm everything I dreamed I'd be. Light spills over kitchen counters, curtains dance in golden haze. Fireplace hums like a heartbeat, keeping time with better days. Neighbors smile across the railing, waves below like memories tight. Every sunset feels forgiving.